I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those. Today's puzzle is a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle from Eurographics entitled Toronto Island Picnic. The image is a lovely illustration by artist Jasper Thompson of a highly stylized view of the Toronto waterfront from across the inner harbor, with a park on the Toronto Island in the foreground. So let's do this. I was just about to start the puzzle when I opened up the box and found this. The unopened bag with all the pieces in it, but underneath it are two more pieces. So I don't know if these belong to my puzzle or someone else's puzzle. But either way, let's do this. So it turns out that those last two pieces that weren't in the plastic bag are actually needed in the puzzle. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.